Know your rights and responsibilities. Once your eligibility has been determined, you will be asked to sign a form that you have been advised of your rights and responsibilities as a participant in the WIC program. You will receive a copy of the form you sign if requested. The WIC staff will answer any questions you have at the end of this video. Now we will read the Rights and Responsibilities form that we will ask you to sign. Your rights. Fair treatment. Standards for eligibility and participation in the WIC program are the same for everyone, regardless of race, color, national origin, age, handicap, or sex. If you are found ineligible for WIC, you will be given the reasons in writing, and you will be advised of your rights to a fair hearing. You will receive WIC benefits, which you can use to supplement your monthly food budget with healthy foods. Helpful tips for a nutritious diet and breastfeeding. Information about other health services available, like healthcare and immunizations, including the locations for these services. Encouragement to use these tips and other services. Your responsibilities. Buy WIC authorized foods. It is important to use your WIC benefits every month. Use your WIC benefits at WIC authorized grocery stores. Bring your WIC card to the grocery store every time you shop for WIC foods. Buy only WIC authorized foods with your WIC benefits. Use the foods only for the person on the program. Be honest. Provide current and truthful eligibility information to WIC staff at all times. Promptly report any changes in your income, family size, address, and/or phone number. Report any changes in your eligibility for Medi-Cal, CalWORKS, TANF, or CalFresh. Do not sell, trade, or attempt to sell or trade your WIC benefits, food, or infant formula in person, in print, or online. You may be disqualified for this type of violation. Be courteous. Keep your WIC appointments or call ahead when you need to reschedule. Bring all requested documents to all WIC appointments. Treat WIC staff and grocery store staff with courtesy and respect. Do not threaten or physically harm anybody in the WIC office or the grocery store. I understand. This certification form is being submitted in connection with the receipt of federal assistance. Program officials may verify information provided. I understand that intentionally making a false or misleading statement or intentionally misrepresenting, concealing, or withholding facts may result in paying the state agency in cash the value of the food benefits improperly issued to me and may subject me to civil or criminal prosecution under state and federal law. Dual participation, which means receiving benefits from more than one WIC office at a time, is illegal and can result in disqualification from WIC. If I am told that I am not eligible for WIC, I will be given the reasons in writing. I may appeal any decision made by the local WIC agency regarding my eligibility. I will receive 15 days notice if my certification is about to expire or if I am about to be terminated from the program. If I ask somebody else to substitute for me in a WIC-related activity, I will explain these rights and responsibilities to them. If I plan to move, I can transfer my WIC benefits, and my WIC local agency can help me with the paperwork. The WIC program does not discriminate. In accordance with federal civil rights law and U.S. Department of Agriculture, USDA, civil rights regulations and policies, the USDA, its agencies, offices, and employees, and institutions participating in or administering USDA programs are prohibited from discriminating based on race, color, national origin, sex, disability, age, or reprisal or retaliation for prior civil rights activity in any program or activity conducted or funded by USDA. Persons with disabilities who require alternative means of communication for program information, for example, Braille, large print, audio tape, American Sign Language, etc., should contact the state or local agency where they applied for benefits. Individuals who are deaf, hard of hearing, or have speech disabilities may contact USDA through the Federal Relay Service at 800-877-8339. Additionally, program information may be made available in languages other than English. To file a program complaint of discrimination, complete the USDA Program Discrimination Complaint Form, AD 3027, found online at this web address and at any USDA office. Or write a letter addressed to USDA and provide in the letter all of the information requested in the form. To request a copy of the complaint form, call 866-632-9992. Submit your completed form or letter to USDA by mailing it to the U.S. Department of Agriculture, Office of the Assistant Secretary for Civil Rights, 1400 Independence Avenue Southwest, Washington, D.C. 20250-9410. You may fax it to 202-690-7442. Or you may email program.intake@usda.gov. This institution is an equal opportunity provider.